first time tuning in, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I have missed y'all. I know it's been a while, but I'm here today, so hello. Okay, so today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be a tutorial on how I do my twist. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love to protect this style. So this year 2021, I wore my hair straight for a long time, and so finally I was like, you know what, stop being lazy. It's time to rehydrate, recondition, deep condition your hair. So I decided to do two-strand twists. Like, that's my go-to, period. I feel like I get the most growth out of this protective style, and I just feel like it's really simple and easy, and you can kind of style it different ways. So in today's video, I'll show you how to two-strand twist my hair using some of these Sulfur 8 products. Now, if you like me, y'all know, I mean, Sulfur 8 go way, way, way back. I've been knowing about Sulfur 8 ever since I was a little girl. If you're part of the black community, then you already know what it is. If you've never tried the products, then you've at least heard of the products. Okay, so I have 4 products today that I want to talk to you guys about. The first one is the Sulfur 8 shampoo. It says that it removes dandruff flakes, helps restore scalps, pH balance, and it's for all hair textures. I also believe that this shampoo is a clarifying shampoo. Shampoo would be really good if you have like, say you had a sew-in for a long time, you had braids or something like that, you have a lot of build-up oil and stuff like that in your scalp, then you need a really good clarifying shampoo. Okay, the second product is medicated anti-dandruff oil sheen moisturizing spray. Now actually, you'll see in the video I use this on my twist, and it says that it has no harsh smell, which it doesn't. I forgot what it smells like. Yeah, it has a clean, fresh scent. It reminds me of something. I just can't really put my finger on it right now, but it says that it soothes and treats dry, itchy scalp caused by dandruff, hydrates the hair to improve shine and bounce, never greasy or sticky or tacky. So with the moisturizing spray, you can use the moisturizing spray anytime. So you can wet your hair, put the moisturizing spray on it, style. You can wet your hair, style it, put the moisturizing spray on. Afterwards, you can use this moisturizing spray every day. So it's not just a product that you only have to use one time. Okay, the next one is the medicated anti-dandruff moisturizing hair lotion, and it says that it's made with all natural aloe vera and jojoba oil. You rub a small amount onto scalp and through hair, style as desired. Now I wanted to read that because I know some products are either or. You either put them in your scalp, don't put it in your hair, or you put it in your hair, don't put it in your scalp. This particular product you can use on both. And so the color of the product is white, and let's check out the consistency. So the consistency is not a thick consistency, so I would say it's like more of a thin consistency, so it's not going to weigh your hair down. Okay, last but not least is the Sulfur 8 hair grease. This is the Sulfur 8 medicated original formula anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. This is a 4-ounce. Again, everybody and their mama is familiar with Sulfur 8 hair grease from back when we were kids all the way into now. Again, if you have not tried it, then you know somebody that use it, and you've heard of, or somebody has told you, okay, if you got a lot of dandruff, then you need to get Sulfur 8, because that was just like the go-to product. So the scent is different from those two. It has, oh, let me see. I mean, if you're familiar with like scalp conditioners and stuff like that, most of them do have like a very subtle scent, and that's what this is. And for some reason, when I smell like Sulfur 8 and other products from back in the day, it just, I don't know, it's just so nostalgic for me. It just really reminds me of like being a kid and getting my scalp greased and stuff like that. So you'll notice that in the video that I did use this product as well. I don't think this is, in my opinion, the consistency of this hair conditioner or grease, or whichever you prefer to call, I don't think that it's thick. In my opinion, it's the perfect texture if you want to put it in your hair. And also, I mean, I just get some and rub it in my hands, and I put it on my hair as well, because it also will add a little bit of shine. So those are the 4 products that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and let's get right into the demo. Okay, y'all, so I just finished washing my hair. So this is freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I did a deep conditioner because I just felt like my hair was just getting kind of dry and brittle a little bit. So I usually do put it in 4 sections. This time I put it in 5 sections. And that's only because I'm doing twists, but I'm not doing mini twists. So I'm not going to take 4 or 5 hours to do them. But I feel like when I would just do 2 in the back, I would always have that part in the middle that I didn't like. So I just put an extra section in the middle for that. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into my twists. watching the video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at DSFAVORS. I will be hosting a giveaway on 4 Sulfur 8 products, so head over there right now. The products mentioned in today's video can be found on houseofbeautyworld.com, or you can find them at your local beauty supply store. And remember, like if you go to the beauty supply store and they don't have the products you're looking for, if you ask to speak to the manager or the assistant manager and you tell them what you're looking for, then oftentimes they will order the product because they want the customers to come back in. So just that's a little tip, so just keep that in mind. Just let me know in the comments if you've tried any of the products that I mentioned today. Let me know how they worked for you. If you want to say, hey girl, what's up, it's been a while, then you can do that too. I look forward to engaging with y'all in the comments. And as always, thank you so much and I really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.